Sometimes you get a call from a hidden number and you wonder how to identify the owner. But in this video, I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how to identify a hidden number that called you. Scammer or anybody else can decide to hide his or her number to call somebody. But I'll be showing you how to identify a hidden number that called you on this video. But one thing you have to do for me is to subscribe so that anytime I release a new video, you will get it straight away. Number one method on how to identify a hidden number that called you is when the call is coming, don't pick it. Don't pick the call. Allow it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take your phone back, dial *30# on your phone and wait for the number to display on your screen. Remember that sometimes it will take 24 hours for that to happen. Method 2. Download Truecaller from Google Play Store. After downloading it, set it as you're supposed to set it by adding your details as it may require. Now, after setting it as you suppose, when the hidden number comes, which will usually write private number on your screen or unknown caller, depending the language of your phone. So, make sure your data is on when the call is coming. This will take 2 to 3 minutes and it will display on the screen. I mean when you're using Truecaller. So it will take 2 to 3 minutes or 1 to 2 minutes. The name of the caller or the number that called you will be displayed on your screen. That is how to do it. It is very simple. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Invite your friends to also subscribe to this channel. Share our videos to all groups or anywhere you know you can share it. Make sure that this video go viral. We love you. We love you. We love you. You are well cherished. Thank you for watching. May God bless you. Remember to subscribe and share. Thanks.